Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your playlist secret on Spotify. So let's start. First, open the Spotify app. There are two ways you can access your playlist. First, tap on the settings icon on top right corner and then tap on your username and it will take you to your profile. Now on your profile here you will see your public playlist. Now tap on the playlist and the playlist will open. And you will get to see your playlist and what songs are in it. And you will also see some suggestions at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and at the bottom you will see the option Make Secret. Now tap on that and your playlist is now a secret playlist and only you will be able to see that. And it will not show up on your profile. But if you want to see your playlist, then tap on your library at the bottom of the screen and you will see your playlist here. And that is how you can make your playlist secret. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.